Hey, what's going on, guys? Hunter Lobby here, and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you guys are tuning into my channel, what I do is I make fragrance related content, such as unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and things like that. And if you love fragrances as much as I love fragrances, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. But in today's video, we have a very special video. As you see in the title, we're actually going to be doing an unboxing. And the unboxing we're going to be doing today is none other than Mancera Cedrat Boise. I am so excited to have this in my collection, guys. This is actually the first Mancera I have actually purchased from this house. And I actually went with Cedrat Boise because I've heard a lot of hype about it and things like that. So let's break into this package here. As you can see, it's all sealed up. I'll show you the package. It's got the front right here, the house, the fragrance, and then it's a eau de parfum concentration, 120 mil. So this is a pretty big bottle. On the bottom there, you have your batch code. I don't know if you can see it right there. I believe it's right there in the white ink, I believe. And yeah, and just ingredients and things like that. And in the back there as well. So yeah, let's open this up, guys. I heard a lot of stuff about this fragrance that it's kind of similar to Creed's Aventus, but I've also heard it's kind of like a standalone fragrance as well. So I'm gonna put my nose to the test and see what I think, if this smells anything like Aventus or if it's standalone. And there we go. Wow. Okay, so the box actually has a very nice texture to it, which I actually like a lot. Okay, let's pop the top here. Be careful, don't want to rip it. So we got that. Okay. Oh wow, all right. So this actually, the presentation of Mancera's, guys, is unbelievable. Look at this. So it actually comes in a pouch, guys, and it has the Mancera logo all around it. It's kind of like in this bronze, silverish kind of color, and it says Mancera Paris right there on that tag. Okay, so this is very, very, very nice, high quality presentation. I'm a sucker for presentation, guys. I really am. So it's actually in a pretty tight. Let's see here. Be careful. Oh. All right, let me put this to the side really quickly. Wow, guys. And here is the bottle. So you have a nice white sticker right there. It's kind of the same sticker that's on the box. And then on the top, you have the M for Mancera, of course. On the bottom, you just have, yeah, looks like maybe a badge code, eau de parfum, and things like that. Now, what's cool about this bottle too, I believe it is a screw-on cap, which, yep, you actually screw it on and off, which I think is just amazing in my opinion. So you actually have that ability to pick it up by the cap, and you have confidence that it's not gonna like come off or anything like that. So you screw it on. And this cap is actually a pretty nice heavy weight, to be honest, which is very, very nice. Nothing really inside the cap there, as you can see. Okay, let's see if I can smell it already. Okay, oh wow, hold on. I smell it a little bit. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's do a first spray. I'm actually gonna spray it on my arm. I actually am wearing something today, so this won't be my scent of the day, but I will spray it on the arm here really quick. Check out the atomizer, guys. You ready? Let's see. All right, one spray, nothing came out. It's a good sign. Two sprays. There we go. Okay, so it is a pretty good sprayer. I wouldn't say it's up there with Creed or like Dior or anything like that, but it is pretty nice. Puts out a nice juice. Okay, so I do smell it right now, guys. Let's see, what I pick up. Wow, oh my. This is amazing, okay. So right off the top, I'm picking up a juicy fruits. I'm not sure what fruits, but I'm picking up a bunch of juicy fruits in this. Oh, wow, I was not expecting this at all. Okay, I'm also picking up lemons. I believe there's lemons in the top notes. I'm not sure, because obviously Aventus has like black currant. I believe this has black currant as well. I think I'm picking up black currant. Okay. Okay, so I do get the similarities with Creed Aventus. A little bit so far. I want to see how this dries down, but on the top notes, getting very juicy. Like it smells like straight like a fruit. It's just so juicy smelling. I don't know if it has pineapple. Pineapple is obviously one of the biggest players in Aventus. It might. I think the notes just say like fruits. It doesn't actually give a specific fruit, so it's probably just like a bunch of fruits like inside it as far as the ingredients go. But yeah, I'm definitely picking up fruits for sure. Very lemony as well. I think this will work out perfect for like the spring and summer, which I've been actually trying to get a lot of more spring and summer fragrances in my collection, So usually I go for like the dark, heavy stuff, like woods and ouds and things like that, like leather fragrances. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to pick up some more spring and summer bangers for the upcoming months to add to my collection and rotate and things like that. But yeah, guys, this thing is absolutely amazing. The smell of it, oh, I'm so excited to be wearing this, guys, in the future months. I mean, this probably could work out in maybe like the fall as well, like an evening out, because it does have the black currant. I do pick up that. It's a little bit, I don't know if it has any kind of woods like sandalwood or anything, maybe. But yeah, I'm actually impressed with this. This is definitely a must-have in my collection. I'm not disappointed whatsoever. Like I said, I did blind buy this. All I watched was like reviews and things like that. And I was like, okay, I wanted to add a Mancera to the collection, so I went with Cedrat Boise. I think this is probably the most popular, I believe, out of the Mancera's collection. And I believe also Mancera and Montel are the same kind of like co-parent companies. I was actually checking out some Montels as well. Maybe I'll add some of those in the future. But yeah, I'm definitely very, very pleased with Cedrat Boise. Let's see if it's changing at all since it's drying down. It actually looks like it's actually pretty oily, guys, since it is eau de parfum. But like on my skin, I don't know if you can pick that up there, but I'm actually like, it's pretty shiny and like oily looking. So that must mean it's pretty potent in my book. Yeah, this is very, very nice. I'm very pleased with this, guys. I think this was this was actually released in 2011, so only a year after Aventus. So I don't see how Mancera would try to copy Aventus in a year or less, to be honest with you. I don't see how that would work out. So I don't think that they were inspired or anything by Aventus. I think it is their own unique take on it's like a similar vibe to Aventus, but no, this is its own fragrance, guys. I don't see the whole comparison thing. Some people think it's a clone of Aventus. Absolutely not, guys. If you're looking for a clone of Aventus, do not get this. This is not what this is. This is a standalone masterpiece from the house of Mancera, in my opinion, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I am very pleased with this. I'm obviously going to wear it for probably a few weeks and then throw you guys a review of Cedrat Boise. But yeah, I'm in love with this fragrance, guys. I'm definitely wearing this a lot in the spring and summer. But yeah, comment down below if you own Cedrat Boise or if you've ever smelled or anything like that. Tell me your opinion is about it, and I'm very curious to hear those. But yeah, guys, that's going to wrap my review up. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now.